Ozzy and Oliver. We won't let that happen.
What we need is water. Lots of water. We can use it to cool and harden the lava so it'll plug the crack. But over there is the closest place to get it. On my way! Okay, Steggy, if you blast the water onto the crack, the lava will cool so fast it'll turn into rock-hard obsidian and plug the hole. Got it! One lava plug coming up! Oh no! We're too far away! The blaster's not strong enough to reach the crack!
You know what that means, Steggy.
Oh yeah! Time to go turbo! There's nothing like going turbo! It worked! Water cooled the lava and plugged the hole!
Great job, Steggy. You rock!
Thanks, Steggy. You saved the camp and the island. No need to thank me. But a Steggy cheer would be kind of cool. Go Steggy! Oh, shucks.